Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to filter in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the data you want to filter. Now select the range of cells you want to filter. Navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Now find and click on the filter button. This will add arrows to the header row of your selected data. Then after click on the filter arrow, this will open a drop down menu. In the drop down menu, you can select a specific criteria to filter. After selecting your criteria, click OK. Excel will instantly filter your data to display only the rows that meet the selected criteria. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more helpful videos here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.